Now let's run this one and see. We run it by holding down shift key and then hit enter key. Then you can see we have all the salary df data from the data frame for starting salary, and we can see they are here, including the not a number. But remember, we are getting data, so here there is a trick. We don't want this number, so what we are going to use is this df, which is already not a number, has been dropped or has been removed. So Control C, and then I can come here and just do like that, and note here how it's going to be done after you run this cell. That's gone, so it is up to 49. So starting salary is up to 49, and this is what we have to do in that short video. So the thing is, you may ask, right, what about if I want the maximum, that is the highest from the starting median salary. Starting median salary, which is the highest? Who is getting the highest? You can see we have all these people here. We have these people here. We want to get the one who is getting the highest salary from the starting median salary. So when you look at them physically, you can see it's around 74. This person is physician assistant who is getting that amount. Okay, so next time we shall look at that.